no gravity that sucked me in your orbit. There's no magnet that was in your heart. The one restriction was the friction that was keeping us a little too far apart. Why fight it? I was secretly delighted. I gave chase and then I let you win. You felt lovely when you loved me like a fool, but now I can't let go of your skin. You know that I never knew that you are.
새해 복 많이 받으세요. 그리고 전략 많이 봐보세요.
일어나서?
새해 복 많이
아니 딱 일어나서.
I like this riff, so I think I'm gonna write a song with it. It's light and calm and sweet and at the same time upbeat. But I can't think of what to say, so I'll just write it anyway. But now I need a chorus. This would be perfect if only the verse fit. I don't know how I'd mash the two together. It's maybe a new tune called Once in a Blue Moon, about the chance of finding love. But it's already been done. Must be a million sad sack stories in the used bin. I don't really want to join them. This song will be the best song. Don't tell me I'm wrong. This song will be the best song, except it's not. So I'm gonna try again. Finger picking makes everything sound great. Everything I say sounds deep and sincere. Pull my finger and I fart. Watch it linger in your heart. See, I'm making lovely art, but it also kind of stinks. Who doesn't adore a waltz on the floor, followed up with a crumpet and tea? Oh right, this is Michigan that I am living in, not London in 1903. Come on, Woodward, get it together. Come on, Woodward, try to be clever. Don't stop now, just finish it, whatever it takes. I'm gonna try to grow a seed. I'm gonna try till my fingers bleed. I'm gonna try till I've used every chord. I'm gonna try till I get it right. I'm gonna try till the morning light. I'm gonna try till I get bored. And I'm gonna finish it later.
먹어봐. 먹겠어.
와, 치킨 맛있겠다.
엄마가 토마토도 같이 구웠어.
우와.
Still there in a wheelchair and living day by day. My mind is getting slower and my body is in decay. But Franny, you're still beautiful, just like the day we met. I still know that you're coming when I see your silhouette, your silhouette. My legs can't hold my body and my arms are both so weak. The kids brush me away like I'm a dusty old antique. But Franny, you still look at me like I am 25. You're still my blushing bride, and that's what's keeping me alive, keeping me alive. Well, I ain't getting any younger, and Franny, you're older too. But I ain't lost my hunger, I am still the one who waits for you. And I'll be here from this day on until they stick me in the lawn. Yeah, I'll be here. Well, there's no time to waste now.
새해 복 많이 받으세요, 이모들. 삼촌들도야. 구독 많이 눌러주세요.
Take my hand and let's go live another day. It might not be our last, but it's a step